Alright guys, today we're going to be checking out this handheld blower. This is like a little mini blower. It's the size of a drill, but it spins at 30,000 RPMs with an aircraft type blower using a drone motor. It can put wind out up to 150 miles an hour, and it's variable speed, cordless. So let's point the camera down. We're going to check it out and see what all we get, and then we're going to do some testing. Alright, so here it is. You can see that you will have your manual. You're going to get a charger for your battery. You do get a 21 volt 4000 MAH lithium battery. You're going to get the nozzle that goes on the end of the blower, and this is the whole blower right here. That's the whole thing, and I think you're going to be surprised at how much power this thing puts out. You can see that turbine in there for making all that wind. So to set it up, it's going to be quite simple. I did charge this battery already. You just click that on like you would any cordless tool, and then you align this hole up with your tabs. Just snap it on and you're good to go. You can see on the side right here you have a little charge indicator. Tells you that it is charged at 100%. And then on the bottom right here you have a little button that looks like a power button, and when I turn this on, this is how you select the speed of your blower. So I'll show you that real fast. 1, 2, 3, and the trigger is off and on. So let's go ahead, walk around and see what kind of leaves and stuff we can blow with this thing. All right, you can see this edge right here where the leaves have built up a little bit, where the dirt is. We're going to try to get rid of that. Yep, that works. But don't go against the wind. Let's do it some more, but going with the wind. Let's try some leaves right here. All right, we have these all over the street. Let's clean these up. So as you can see, this is a very nice blower. It's nice and compact. It's not going to take up a lot of room in your shed or your garage. You can keep your sidewalk clean. You can clean around your pool. You can clean your driveway. You can also sweep patios and porches and such with it. Just anything that you would normally use a blower for, but you don't want to get out a big blower. This compact version is going to do you a lot of good. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.